Nick at the First Alert Forecast. Record-breaking heat. We've been talking about it for a week. It is now here, halfway through it. Once again, tomorrow is going to be one of those days with near record or record-breaking temperatures. It's clear outside right now. Just a few wispy clouds. You can think in large part the very same system that is creating, such a big change across the United States. We're tracking a large ridge of high pressure. You saw that briefly over the southeast, extending from the ground all the way to the tops of the clouds. So kind of shocking here. You have so much storminess off to our north and west, even up into Pennsylvania, then absolutely nothing off to our south. And this ridge has expanded up into the mid-Atlantic. That's why yesterday's showers, we're not seeing a repeat of that today. The chance of additional rain now through Saturday is relatively low, and temperatures are going to continue to remain quite warm in the First Alert Forecast. Something we'll continue to track. The good news, if you hate the heat, we're halfway through the worst of it, and we're going to see conditions improve as we get into the weekend. But boy, talk about a mild start tomorrow morning. Temperatures in the mid to upper 60s on the eastern shore, going back into the city of Baltimore, right around 68, 69 degrees in the morning. North and west sides of the metro also in the upper 60s. So it's going to be a warm one, and we could break the record warm low temperature tomorrow morning, meaning on April 16th, tomorrow's date could end up being one of the warmest mornings, the warmest morning on record at BWI. Something we'll continue to monitor. You wake up with First Alert meteorologist Steve Sosna tomorrow morning at 4:30, walking you through that warm start. And thankfully, Angela Foster not having too much of a commute hassle weather-wise to deal with in the morning. Looking at low impacts temperature-wise. Coolest about 6:30, 7:30 in the morning. Back to 70 by 8 o'clock in the morning. 75 at 9 a.m. with lots of sunshine in the First Alert Forecast. Getting into the afternoon, this is when temperatures will soar. However, notice beaches, bay the same. Temperatures in the upper 70s, lower 80s. Mountains also cooler in the 70s. But getting over to the eastern shore, southern Maryland, western Maryland, over towards Hagerstown on 70. Everyone in the upper 80s and 90s. 92 to be exact in Baltimore. That's 1 Evansville, 84 in Annapolis, thanks to the chilly bay waters, keeping it cooler. 88 in Easton, but 93 in Westminster. In fact, on your corner, we're going to take you here, really the west side and southwest sides, on up into Carroll County, but Howard County too. Temperatures in the low to mid 90s. 94 Westminster, 93 Middleburg. On your corner in Eldersburg, 93 degrees. The record holder for the city of Baltimore, that's going to be BWI Airport. That's the official climate site for the city. So the forecast is 92, likely going to break the old record back in 2012 of 90. But let's not remember, just because there's not an official climate site in Carroll County or up in Cecil County, record warm temperatures across the board tomorrow for just about everyone away from the bay. 83 Friday, Saturday 82. There's our transition day Sunday, upper 60s, showers around. Could be a little bit of rain Saturday evening, but the biggest change or transition, Rick, in the forecast, back to chill next week. Could have frost on the ground by next Tuesday morning.
Record heat to frost only in Maryland. Cutter, thank you. As we head